Meaning of discreet.
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 Discreet. The term discreet refers to being careful and intentional in one's actions in order to avoid drawing attention or causing offense. When someone behaves in a discreet manner, they are attempting to be subtle and tactful. This can apply to a wide range of situations, from personal relationships to business dealings. In essence, being discreet means being aware of social norms and expectations, and adjusting one's behavior accordingly. By doing so, one is able to maintain a sense of privacy and keep potentially sensitive information from becoming public knowledge.